Hi, my name is Kiki Hines. I'm a 6th grade science teacher in Flagstaff, Arizona. We have a really unique opportunity today because we're in Houston, Texas, and we're about to fly on a zero-G plane thanks to the Teaching from Space Microgravity experience. What we're going to do as part of our outreach is we're going to observe and demonstrate Newton's laws of motion with the Angry Birds. Alright, let's start with Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia. This law states that without an unbalanced force, an object in motion is going to stay in motion. And if that object is at rest, it's going to stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So, let's take a look at an example with our Angry Birds. So if I take Pig and roll him down this table here on Earth, eventually he slows down and stops. The unbalanced force in this case is the friction between Pig and the table. The friction slows him down until he remains at rest. Now Pig is going to stay at rest until an unbalanced force acts upon him, or if I take Redbird and knock him off the table. Now let's see how Newton's laws work in microgravity, or weightlessness, thanks to the zero-G plane. So how does the zero-G plane work? Well, according to the zero-G website, the G-Force 1 flies level to the horizon at an altitude of 24,000 feet. The pilots then begin the pull-up, gradually increasing the angle of the aircraft to about 45 degrees to the horizon, reaching an altitude of 34,000 feet. During this pull-up, passengers will feel the pull of about 1.8 Gs. Next, the plane is pushed over to create the zero-gravity segment of the parabola. For the next 20 to 30 seconds, everything in the plane is weightless because we are falling at the same rate as the plane.
That was awesome.
Okay, back to Newton's law of inertia. You can see when Redbird is released towards Pig, he stays in motion without slowing down because he has inertia. Redbird will continue to stay in motion in this environment until he runs into Pig, who's just hanging around. Once they collide, they will continue moving in their respective direction. I hope you enjoyed observing how Newton's law of inertia works both here on Earth and in a microgravity environment.